Hello, this is Bloom. Today I will give you a complete guide to a very hybrid exchange, FXGT. In this video, I will talk about opening an account, depositing, trading, and of course, all the important points that you should be aware of. Please watch this video to the end. Why FXGT is a hybrid exchange. They offer US stocks, FX, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and everything in between. What used to be a separate exchange is now all available on FXGT. Right now, they are offering a $150 sign-up bonus. Also, they are offering a 100% welcome bonus during this period. Open this FXGT account while you still can and practice trading with the bonus. This big bonus opportunity is rare. Now is the perfect time to take advantage of it. Here is a brief description of FXGT, and we have 365 days customer support. So if you have a problem, they can explain the problem immediately. This is a point that gives you peace of mind. Another surprise is that cryptocurrencies are swap-free. Most crypto exchanges charge a funding fee once every 8 hours if you have a position. On FXGT, you don't have to pay that once every 8 hours fee because it is swap free. So, if you take a position and say, for example, that Bitcoin will go up to about $7 million again in the future, you will be charged a funding fee every 8 hours. If you guessed it and continued to hold a position until it went up to that $7 million level, they would not be charged a commission. That is great. That's how you can manage those assets. It's an attractive asset management. The website is also in Japanese, so it's very easy to read and easy to use for beginners. Let me tell you a little bit about it now. Let's start with an explanation of the account. I just did a Google search for FXGT to see what comes up first. The first URL that came up was FXGT info. The official one is fxgt.com. Beware of fake sites. I'm not sure if it's a fake site or not, but it's a good one. The URL of the top ad in Google is not the only correct one. Please use my summary or QR code to visit the official FXGT site. If you click on my URL, you will be taken to the registration page. Enter your name, email address, password, and country of residence. Finally, click on register and press I am not a robot. Then click on register. You will receive an approval email to your registered email address. So open it and click on the email address verification button. Then congratulations, your account has been activated. Then log in again with the email address and password you just registered. Then you will be asked which account you would like to open. 2 accounts, a live course, and a demo course will come up. We would like you to open both accounts in the end, but right now it is this live course that you will receive the $15,000 bonus for new registrations and the 100% welcome bonus. So please open a live account first. Let's proceed. Open a live account. Then you will see several things in terms of available margin currency. There are several types of accounts. I recommend the standard account first. Standard accounts are the ones that receive the new registration bonus and the welcome bonus. Here is a word of caution. There is a pro account, but the pro account has the advantage that the spread is narrower instead of getting the bonus. Therefore, I recommend that you first open a standard account to get the bonus and then open a pro account. Let's open a standard account. Click on select. Then you will see the currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, USDT, dollar, euro, and yen. I will choose Japanese yen this time because I think it is the most common. You are asked to choose the number of leverage and you can select up to 1,000 leverage. You do not have to trade at 1,000 because you chose 1,000. You can change this leverage later. For now, I will register with 1,000. I will show you how to change the leverage later. You will be asked to set your password here. Please set it yourself. You now have a live account in Japanese yen with 1,000 leverage. The login and password here are very important, so please make a note of them and keep them in a safe place. Please keep them in a safe place and do not share them with anyone. It will be used in the MT5 account that you are about to set up. First of all, you now have one account with Japanese yen as margin. The great thing about FXGT is, in investing, you are good at dollar yen, you are good at gold, you are good at US stocks, right? When you put your margin in Bitcoin, the profit you see in dollar yen is reflected in Bitcoin when you put your margin in Bitcoin. So, do you think Bitcoin will go up in the future? If you are predicting that it will, but you are not very good when it comes to trading in Bitcoin, you can put your margin in Bitcoin. You receive Bitcoins for the profits you make in your area of expertise. This is another attraction of FXGT. You can receive your profits with the margin you put in. If I trade dollar, yen, or gold, I will receive the profit in Japanese yen. It depends on the margin. Please keep this knowledge in mind as the currency in which you receive your profits will vary. Now let's make a deposit. There are many ways to deposit money. You can deposit cryptocurrency, Binance Pay, BitWallet, and bank transfer, Visa, Master, JCB, and many more. Bank transfers take a long time. The fastest way to make a deposit is to use a Visa, MasterCard, or JCB credit card. I will deposit Japanese yen. Proceed. How much would you like to transfer here? Then let's make it 10,000 yen for now. Proceed. Enter your credit card information here. Then proceed by entering your personal information and other information at the bottom. As you proceed, you will be on the payment page. It is the same as when you normally shop online. Click to proceed. Please make your credit card deposit here. Cryptocurrency deposit is also available. Crypto deposit, I think USDT is a lot. I just checked a little USDT and the network is either ERC20 or TRC20. There are two. The TRC20 is more affordable if you want to send money to. If you have a network TRC20, I highly recommend that you send money via this TRC20. Okay, I have successfully deposited the money. Now, I have just told you that you can change your leverage. I will explain how to do that. Scroll down to the portal site map. Under the main menu here, you will find e-wallet and MT5 account. Click on the MT5 account button. Then you will see the Japanese yen live account that I have just opened. Then click on the three dots here. You can change your leverage here. Please change the leverage here. Now it is 1,000, but you can change it to 100 and so on. Being 105 or you can make changes here. This time for beginners, I have set the leverage to be low. To a live account in Japanese yen. Deposit received. The deposited Japanese yen will be transferred to your MT5 account. The action next to deposit here says transfer funds to MT5. Please transfer funds here. Then you will now go to your MT5 account and it will be reflected there. Let's go to MT5 downloads right now. I am using an iPhone and there used to be an MT5 app for iPhones, but it is not available for iPhones now. So if you have an iPhone, this is the third web version. Click on the third web version. Then you will see a page like this and then approve this page. The second one here, the login Q1. Then you will see a place to enter your login and password, which I told you to write a note about earlier. This is the server, which is the live account that I explained earlier using Japanese yen as margin. I really and truly recommend that you trade with your own real money after practicing FXGT's MT5. You don't know what you're doing for the first time, Wraith. It's a little scary to start with real money for the first time, isn't it? I can't do it because I am a very cautious person. I can never do that, so please practice with demo account. Next to that, please explain the demo account. The new bonus campaign is available to those who have activated their accounts. First, those who have successfully opened a live account must perform account verification. Here you will need your name, driver's license, ID, passport, and other information, and documents verifying your current address, credit card bill or statement utility bill attached here. Please complete the identity verification. You will then earn the new registration bonus. The order is open a live account, account verification, live account, demo account. Please follow this process. Let's practice together on the demo account. Live and demo are exactly the same. Me, I have used and tried both. First, please practice once or twice in the demo course. I will explain it to you as you practice on the demo account. Yes, this one has now logged in. First of all, please click on the key mark here as it is not in Japanese. Then you will see interface there. Click here. Click here and select the Japanese language. There was Japanese. This is okay. So let's refresh this page. Then it will be in Japanese. Now then, they are in a situation where most of the currencies are in. Keep it simple. Plus mark here. You can choose from a variety of currencies. For cryptocurrency, there are many different currencies like this. Bitcoin and Euro are also available. First 8 are dollars. It's easy to understand, so let's try. Oops, let's add Polkadot and USD as well. I added these two for now. And here, it is called shares. This will be US stocks. US stocks. Apple, right? There is also Amazon, Alibaba, etc. There are quite a lot of stocks. There are a lot of different names like this. You can learn what's out there by operating in a variety of ways. Now I've made my selection. It's a little bit simple now. That originally included issue plus the name I just added is shown here. You can customize it this way yourself and make this page up as you go along. Let's start with Bitcoin and Japanese yen. Now you can choose from various types of orders. You can also choose from a variety of orders. I would like to place a market order. The quantity is marked with a plus sign and a minus sign on the right and left here. If you press the plus sign here, you will get a plus. And if you press the minus sign here, you will get a minus. So for the sake of simplicity, I would like to use Bitcoin this time. Here there is a stop loss limit and a settlement limit. For example, since it is a stop loss limit, it is a loss cut. For example, the stop loss limit is 350 yen and the settlement limit is, let's say, 160 yen. Now you can choose whether you want to go short or long. This time I want to go long. Now the settlement has just been entered. Now let's look at the trading history. We are losing now. I always lose in the beginning but somehow win in the end. The spirit of waiting is very important. Here is the amazing and fascinating point of FXGT. For example, here and now, you placed a buy order for Bitcoin in Japanese yen. You entered a position. Normally, if you would have put in the same position, they would be combined. Suppose this is another order placed at double the price. Let's look at the transaction screen. They are displayed separately. This is a great big point. I am very happy that they are not combined. For example, let's look at Ripple and Japanese yen. I just put in a sale. Ripple, Japanese yen. Let's look at the trading screen. Click on the deal in the middle, then it will not be combined, whether it is a sell or a double. It will display it here. The attraction of this FXGT is that it shows the history of each order in the transaction history here and does not aggregate them. It is very attractive that you can be long and short at the same time. Now let's go ahead and close this position that we have now and close it with the instructions. Now this position, you can also change the position. Let's settle this. Click on the yellow cursor where it says settlement close. Then this is now closed. Let's close this one as well. Now the settlement has been made and let's look at the history. Here is the history. Please make sure to check the history for profit and loss. If you want to add it to your home screen, you can add it to your home screen like an app. At the bottom of the iPhone, you will see an arrow mark from the page mark. Click here. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Add to Home Screen section. Here you can add it to your home screen like an app. Even if there is no application on your iPhone, it will be displayed on your home screen like an application. So you can use it almost as if you were using an application. I think the mobile application is the most frequently used. Please take advantage of it and use it. This video is a complete guide for FXGT beginners to use FXGT safely and securely. How was it? They also have a demo account where you can practice. Please practice once with a demo before trading for real money. All investments are your own responsibility. Practice and knowledge are very important before making mistakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment. I read all the comments. Please feel free to comment in support. Thank you again for watching this video. See you again in the next video.